Have you ever dreamed of studying in Europe? Europe, a continent boasting renowned academic institutions, a rich tapestry of cultures, and a deep-rooted history that shapes our world today. For many Kenyan and African students, Europe's academic allure is a beacon of hope and opportunity. Yet the journey from Africa to Europe's hallowed halls can appear steeped in challenges. Questions loom, uncertainty ensues, but remember, navigating Europe's academic landscape can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Drexler Consulting's Student Handbook for Germany is here to answer your questions and more. This handbook is more than just a guide, it's your specialized compass. It's meticulously crafted with the Kenyan and African student in mind, providing tailored insights. From understanding European university requirements to navigating visa processes and cultural nuances, this handbook has got you covered. But it's not just about the practicalities. You'll also benefit from expert perspectives, with first-hand experiences and advice from professionals who began their journeys in Africa, just like you. They share their stories, challenges, and the strategies that led them to success. Moreover, this handbook is about empowerment through preparation. Embarking on an academic journey in a foreign land can be overwhelming, but with our guide, you'll be equipped with actionable steps to ensure a smooth transition. Beyond academia, we provide a vision for the future. Europe offers more than just an education. It's a gateway to global opportunities. This handbook is not just a guide, it's a specialized compass, meticulously crafted with the Kenyan and African student in mind. At Drexler Consulting, our commitment goes beyond just providing information. We understand the dreams, aspirations, and challenges of students from Africa, particularly from Kenya, seeking to navigate the academic landscape of Europe. We've made it our mission to stand as a reliable ally in your journey. Our dedication is rooted in the success of every student. We believe that every dream deserves a fair chance, and we are here to ensure that chance is within your reach. We are not just about getting you there, we're about seeing you thrive once you're there. We tirelessly work to provide top-notch informational materials and resources. From the ins and outs of European university requirements to the subtle nuances of cultural adaptation, we've got you covered. But it doesn't stop there. We continuously innovate and refine, driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence. We aim to equip you, to empower you, and to prepare you for every step of your journey. Because at Drexler Consulting, we are dedicated to ensuring that every student is equipped, empowered, and ready to turn their European academic dreams into reality. Your journey to Europe's prestigious academic halls starts here. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and Drexler Consulting is here to guide you every step of the way. We know the path may seem daunting, but with our tailored insights, expert perspectives, and commitment to your success, we'll help make your European academic dreams a reality. So, take that first step, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. With Drexler Consulting, you're not just studying abroad, you're starting a journey to global opportunities.